Many kitchens still reach for latex gloves thinking cheaper means better. But in food safety, that's a dangerous assumption. Latex gloves were once the gold standard, but times have changed. The problem? Latex comes from natural rubber, and millions of people are now allergic to it. A single pair of latex gloves can trigger a severe reaction in a customer or colleague, even from microscopic residue left on food. Imagine serving a meal that sends someone to hospital just because of the gloves used to prepare it. Nitrile gloves, on the other hand, are synthetic, stronger, more puncture-resistant, and completely latex-free. They don't degrade when exposed to oils, fats, or cleaning chemicals like latex does, and that matters in a kitchen filled with detergents and sanitizers. They also give better barrier protection and last longer, meaning fewer glove changes and fewer risks. So while latex may seem cheaper at first glance, the potential cost of contamination, allergic reactions, or reputation damage is far greater. In food safety, the smart operators have already made the switch. Nitrile isn't just a glove, it's a statement that your kitchen puts safety before savings.